Hello everybody and welcome back to Rebellious Menstruation. This is an unboxing. What we'll do is we'll just cut this open. I ordered a few things this week, so we'll just have to see which one this is. Okay. Let's just get this open. Okay, so these are some vintage European pillowcases that I ordered from a maker on Etsy. So they're both the same. Print wise they're both the same, so I had it matching print. So this is from a maker on Etsy, and they are called they are called Bargain. This is an indigo blue paisley floral cotton Moroccan cushion. I think these were the last two in stock that I got, and they were from Sydney, and so of course I have some European pillows that I wanted new covers for. So this is, I will link the website down below as to what they are, and other than that, thank you for watching. Enjoy your morning, afternoon or evening, depending on where you are in the day, and I will catch up with you all in the next video. Bye everyone.